Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We will start today of our lesson and lecture number 2 of the Arabic alphabets. First is letters Jim. Next is Ha. Ha. You pronounce with your throat and read this one, ha, ha. And next letter is kha, kha. This is a heavy accent of the kha, and when you are pronouncing of this letter of kha, so you need to be open your mouth, kha, kha. And what is the difference in between Jim, Ha and Kha? When we look of these letters without signs, without dots, and these are looks like similar, we need to be a finding of Jim, Ha and Kha. Depend on the dots. If one dot coming in middle, so this is a Jim. You make it long of this letter for 5 counts. Jim. Next one is Ha. Ha. You open your mouth and read with your throat. And next letter is Kha. Kha. You make it heavy sound and open your mouth. Thanks.